Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to change the go to menu list in Nokia 3310 mobile phone. So guys, when you press this button under the go to, so it will take you to the go to menu list. Basically, these are different shortcuts to different apps and different settings. So you can change it, you can customize it, you can add more apps over here. So how to do it? So first of all, you have to scroll down and then you will see an option of left key. Okay, so just select it, and once you select it, it will take you to the menu, and here it is showing you the choose options. So just select this choose options. Once you select it, choose options, it will show you all the apps in your phone, and you can add those apps into the go to menu list. So the apps with this tick mark is already added to the go to menu list, but if you want to add more apps, you can do it. Simply just select that app. For example, I want to select that calendar. Okay, so I will mark it. I press this middle button, so now you can see it is now marked. Okay, then I also want to add this calculator. Okay, and then I will add this let's say this converter, right? So I mark it. So I mark these three apps. Okay, then when I finish with my marking, so you can press this done button. Then it will ask you to save changes, so press yes. So everything is done now. Now when I try to go to this go to menu list, okay, I will see those apps. Okay, so I will scroll down. Okay, so you can see the calendar is now added, calculator is also added, and converter is also added. So this is how you can add as many apps as you want. Okay, you can also change their position. So how to do it? Again, go down and see this left key option, just select it, and then the second option over here, it says organize. Okay, so just select this organize option. Okay, and then press choose button, and then here you can organize the apps. For example, I have these three apps that I added. Okay, so these three apps I want to make them on top. So simply what I will do, I select them, and once I select them, it will show me four different options: move up, move down, move to the top, or move to the bottom. So I will make it move to the top. I select this move to the top option, I press move, and then you can see the calendar is now moved to the top. Now same thing, I will go with this calculator. Okay, I select this move, I move it to the top, and you can see the calculator is on top right now. And then same thing I will do with the converter. I select move, and then I move to the top. Okay, so all these three apps are on the top. Okay, now I will go back, and then it will ask me to save my changes, right? So I select yes. So now the changes are saved. Now everything is done now, and now I will just select this go to button, and then you can see these three apps are on the top. So guys, this is how you can edit your go to menu list. You can also organize it. You can add as many apps as you like. You can also remove the apps as well. Okay, so for example, if you remove some of the shortcuts, you can also do it. Simply select this left key, and here select the choose option. And for example, if you don't want this alarm clock, so you just unmark it and then press done. Okay, and then save changes, and now there will be no alarm clock on the go to menu list. So you can see over here there will be no alarm clock. Okay, so you can see over here. So this is how you can set and customize the go to menu list in your Nokia 3310 mobile phone, guys. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.